Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to set pin code on your Netflix profile. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to set the pin code on your profile, you just simply have to open your Netflix application at first, and after opening the Netflix application you can see all of the profiles that you have. You just simply have to tap into this pencil icon and choose the profile where you want to set the pin code. I'm choosing this profile, and after that this profile lock option will appear into the second row. Just simply tap into that and then click to create profile lock option. Now into this section you just simply have to enter your account password in order to create the profile lock. Just simply enter the account password, and then after entering your password successfully you can create a 4-digit PIN for your Netflix profile. Just simply enter the PIN and save it. Then your profile will successfully be logged into Netflix. By following this very easy step, you can easily set a PIN code on your Netflix profile. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.